Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ruchika and today I am in the hotel which is newly opened, and the name of the hotel I would like you to guess. So I know you cannot, but I will tell you the name of the hotel is Hotel Taj, which is in Patna, which is the only 5-star hotel in entire Bihar, and last year only it has opened. So today I will take you for the tour of my luxury suite with jacuzzi. So please come. Let's join me. Yeah, so this is the beautiful painting you can see in monochrome, which is really impressive. When I entered the room, this caught my eyes and I got mesmerized. Yeah, and this is the living area. You can see the area has beautiful paintings. Actually, these are not paintings, these are the thread works which are done on this canvas, and these they have been arranged so well as if they are working like the Bindu concept of Raza. You must have heard about the artist Raza, who has worked maximum on the topic Bindu dot. So here we can see the beautiful arrangement of dots. And if you see the sofas and the chairs, they are so comfortable, and the color coding is so wonderfully planned that they are even matching with my top. Thank you so much. Now here I will show you that this is the welcome note the hotel has kept for me here to welcome me. And to welcome me, there are a few other things as well. These are the welcome amenities like nuts, almonds, pistachios, and foxnut, talk of the town. And these are sweets. And yeah, how can I forget this? Yes, these are the books where you will get to know much more about this hotel and the city and the state Bihar. So I'm definitely going to read them as soon as I get free. And here also they have put some amenities like fruit platter to welcome. I have grapes in it, I have shiny bright apples, and how can I miss this? What is this? Come on, you have to tell me. This is dragon fruit. And now we are not calling it as dragon fruit, we are calling it as kambalam. Something like that. You need to find it out. What is the right pronunciation? So yes, here is the TV, flat TV, so that I can sit on that sofa and enjoy the view, enjoy the TV. So now I am taking you to my room, my bedroom, where I am going to stay. I am going to spend my entire night. Yes, the sofa, the mattress is too soft and comfortable. The lights are amazing. Here they have also kept the water, Himalayan. So this is the best water I love to drink. And they take care of every minute thing which the guest needs. So now come with me and let's sit and relax on the sofa. And here again you will find a book. Yes, it is on Taj. And we can see Ratan Tata here. And what does he speak about? Yes, this room has a beautiful view of the jacuzzi outside, which I'm not going to open. I have to show you something more. So let's move out of this room. And again I'm back in my living room. And here I will take you for another beautiful moment, which is going to be my day to day. And it is this lawn view, so that I can sit here and enjoy my tea. Yeah, definitely my tea is waiting here, and some cookies are there. So I'm going to definitely enjoy them. And tomorrow morning, this is the jacuzzi I'm going to enjoy. So with this, I am very excited. And if you see the plants, the flowers are so beautiful, and the fragrance is awesome. Awesome. So this is all, and again I would like to take you inside. The structure also, you can see it is so well, and the jacuzzi is so well covered that you cannot hesitate. You need not to hesitate about anything, like nobody is able to see, because it is all covered. That area is absolutely covered. And this is the open air area where we can sit and talk and spend hours. So let's get inside again. One thing I missed to show you, that this jacuzzi is temperature control. This is the control. We can control the temperature of the jacuzzi, and we can warm the water and then enjoy in the winter season. And in summers, definitely everybody loves to enjoy jacuzzi. Okay, now I will be showing you the storage area which is there. Okay, again here they have put the coffee machine, the Himalayan water, and what else? Okay, the cutleries are there. Yes, my favorite kettle is here. All the types of coffees and teas we can easily make when we have the access to all these things. Yeah, some refreshments as well are here. We can see some namkeen, again nuts and some crackers. Let me check what else. Okay, especially used in summers is the refrigerator. Yes, there are few things, chocolates, cakes and cokes. So what would you like to have? Which one should I take out for you? My choice is this Sprite. So I'll have after my tea. Right now I'm keeping it inside. And yes, I'll show you the storage area. So here is the storage area where you can see the big cupboard, and all these cupboards are too deep, and we can put so many things inside with this iron table and of course slippers. So this is very comfortable for us whenever we have big luggage and many things to keep with us. We need the storage area which is really interesting so that the room remains clean and proper. Yes, here you can see that this is the area where we have wash basins, and if I check about the amenities they have put here, all the amenities are from Forest Essential. So they are too good for skin, wonderful. Like this is the body lotion, again one more body lotion. This is the shower gel, and the same kind of soap I can see inside as well. And many things they have kept here: shaving razor, shaving gel, comb, definitely toothbrush, and vanity kit, many more things to check. So you have to come for yourself and check what else I missed. Okay, definitely a box of tissue paper for me, not for you right now, and cotton balls. But when I am touching all these things, I am just enjoying the touch. So now here we are going to the shower area. Yeah, the shower area is having this bench which is very beautiful and comfortable, and here also we can see the amenities of the Forest Essential only. This is shower gel, this is conditioner, and this is hair cleanser, and one loofah is definitely here. How can I miss this? And yeah, this is the overhead shower, and this is hand shower easily, and the mat, which is the most important thing. People slip in the washrooms, but because there's a mat, so I can be more confident. So now the next one is, okay, yeah, this is WC. So the telephone is the most attractive thing here, which many of the hotel WCs are missing. And there is something special for you which I am going to take you to show. That is the powder room. And where is that? We have to come out of the storage area, and then here is the powder room. So again, I was very happy to see the telephone here, which I can use instantly, and especially for the old people who might be in the need. Okay, let me fix it. Who might be in the need of calling somebody, but if there's no phone, then it's calling really becomes difficult. So finally, this is my room. I'm going to read the note and enjoy my tea sitting outside. So now what are you thinking? How much did I pay for this room? Come on, tell me. What do you feel? Yes, you are right. This is definitely very expensive because it is luxury, and luxury comes with a cost. So the tariff for per night of this ultra luxury room with jacuzzi is 85,000 rupees only. But here is the trick. I didn't pay that much. I got it as an upgrade. So, what is for you to know how to get the upgrades? And I will tell you in my next video how to get the upgrades. So if you want to know that, if you want to get inside a room with the tariff of 85,000 rupees with just less money, please like, subscribe my channel so that you also enjoy the same what I am enjoying with the Pocket Harry. Thank you.